Welcome back to BBB Adventures and episode 11 of the Apollo mission, our bike touring adventure across North America on our Priority Apollo bikes. In our last episode, we left Dubois, Wyoming, and pedaled through Riverton and to Shoshone, where we struggled to find a place to camp, and then had an unfortunate encounter with goat head weeds, which rendered both tires on my bike unusable. Then we hitched a ride back to Riverton to rent a U-Haul so we could ferry ourselves, our bikes, and our gear to a bike shop in Casper. This episode picks us up the following morning as we prepared to get back on the bikes and continue our journey east. Good morning.
Good morning.
Look, it's the Tetons. This is our hotel. We're in our hotel in Casper, Wyoming. And we had a nice sleep. We slept great. We slept a long time. And now we're gonna go have our breakfast and we're gonna hit the road. We got the bikes packed up. Bikes are all packed up. The Apollos are ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Nope, I have to have breakfast first.
Let's do it.
Here's our breakfast ticket.
Oh my God, I'm so glad you remembered that. We're gonna go have breakfast. We're gonna have breakfast, then we're gonna get on the road.
Yes.
Yes. Apollo Day, Apollo Mission Day.
31, I believe.
I don't know, I think it's...
We'll have to look it up. I think it's 31.
Back on the highway. US 26 East. Bada bing, bada boom. Off we go. Goodbye, Casper. Thanks for fixing our bike. Thanks for pulling all the goat heads out of my tires. Yeah. Share the road. Share the road, people. Share the road. Share it. Sharing is caring.
Probably hard to see on the camera, but there's a buck up there munching grass. I turned my camera on in hopes we can see it. We should be able to see him bound away as I get closer. Look at those antlers. There he goes. Oh, he's coming back. That was tasty grass down there. I need more. Look at that rack. So cool. So many times we see deer and we don't get to see the ones at the racks. Look at that. He is cool. Bouncy, bouncy. Oh, so pretty. Must be hard to carry that thing on your head. Look at that. What a shot. Yeah, please get out of the road. Oh, so cool. Woo! No.
We're entering the town of Glen Rock. Big enough to enjoy, small enough to care. What do you gotta do?
I have to go poo.
She has to go poo. This is gonna be, we're gonna rename this to Mary Beth Poo, not Glen Rock. That's a big power plant. I'm assuming it runs on natural gas. given it's in eastern Wyoming, where they probably get a lot of natural gas out of the oil fields. And it doesn't look dirty enough to be burning coal. Anyway, it should be nuclear, but natural gas is probably better than coal. There's Interstate 25, which we've been sort of paralleling for a while. And for a second I thought we were going to have to get on it, because this road looks like it terminates at the on-ramp, but there's a little left-hand turn up here onto some little frontage road. Probably takes us by that big power plant. Yeah, so we don't have to get on the freeway. Happy about that. I do not want to ride my bicycle on an interstate. Well, now that we're closer to this power plant, I can see a mile-long train cars going into the plant, which probably indicates that's a coal-fired power plant. But at least there's not black smoke or something terrible pouring out of the smokestacks. They're scrubbing that pretty good. Well, we're on the other side of that power plant, and in order to avoid getting on the interstate, because Highway 26 joins the interstate for a while, we have to take this gravel road. For how long, we don't really know. Could be 20 miles. Because it looked like it was pretty much on the map, was pretty much all the way to Douglas, which is maybe more than 20 miles. So I guess that's what we'll do.
Where you headed?
New York City.
You know, I started in Washington, D.C.
Nice.
Yeah, that's outstanding. How is it?
Awesome.
You know, this is fantastic all the way back and all the way through. The last couple of days have been brutal when you hit Nebraska, but this is glorious.
Yeah.
Yeah, the minute I crossed the Wyoming line, I said, thank you, God. I'm on the Rails to Trails trying to be, but honestly, after Nebraska, there is no Rails to Trails until you hit flipping Washington.
Did you take the Cowboy Trail?
I did.
How was that?
That sucks.
Oh.
Really?
Honestly, yeah. The problem you got with it is it just goes really soft. And are your tires set up tubeless?
No.
Oh man, I wouldn't touch Cowboy Trail.
Okay.
So,
Really?
You know, no, I wouldn't do the Cowboy Trail at all. And I rode it across the bridge. It's really cool coming out of Valentine. That's worth it. And then I got back on the road.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Goat head?
Goat heads. I live in Arizona, the land of perpetual goat heads. And this isn't set up tubeless either. And I love the friggin' thing you're wearing. I'm gonna find one.
Oh, Ragbri, Iowa.
I'm gonna do Ragbri next year. I love Iowa.
This is where you get it.
I love Iowa.
We're doing Ragbri as part of our ride.
Oh yeah, okay, that's very cool. I can hardly wait. Yeah. What's your names?
Mary Beth and Brentley Cooper.
I'm Mike Buckley. I'm Michael Clyde on Facebook. I've been writing on the Rails to Trails page a lot. So.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool. There's like 5 of us doing this coast to coast. I'm kind of in the middle somewhere.
Okay.
I don't care.
No.
Yeah. I do. Ask you a favor. Shoot a photo because I'm always taking selfies.
Awesome.
It'd be nice not to have a selfie.
You betcha.
Nice to see you. All right.
Great
yeah,
to see you
it's
too.
awesome.
All right, bud.
Take
Be
care.
safe. Nice chatting
too.
with you.
Great
Nice
chatting
to
with
see
you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Picnic area or public area, some area. It's next to the North Platte River. So we're gonna go check it out. Don't get any those things, goat heads. Don't do it. Don't do it. You choose.
Brentley's making our lunch.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter, honey, and tortilla.
It's our favorite lunch. It's our only lunch.
Oh, there's gonna be Pringles too.
There'll be Pringles. It's the end of the gravel road for today. Yay. Oh. So nice. Pronghorn deer, otherwise known as antelope. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam and the deer and the antelope play. Hi, babies. We're pulling up next to I-25. It apparently goes right next to Douglas. We're getting to learn about all the things on the signs, like there's a McDonald's and an Arby's. And I can't read the rest. I'm just glad we never had to ride that today. We avoided having to ride on that road by taking that gravel road today. Well worth it. And it was a pretty nice gravel road, really. So, yeah. We're a few miles from town. We're just gonna roll on into town and find the park. Rolling into Douglas. This is it. Did you see water? I'm gonna go see if I can find water. Hey, do you know if this is potable water here? It just says for RV use only, but it doesn't say whether it's drinkable or not.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Because we were gonna camp in the park and wanted to know where the water was.
I thought they had some inside there.
Oh, I haven't been inside yet. Okay.
But yeah, I don't know if I trust that with everybody in there.
Yeah.
Grubby hands.
Yeah, there's shit, folks. Yeah, at least you're wearing gloves.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe we'll get it inside.
But yeah, they got seen some showers in there.
Oh, they got showers in there?
Yep.
Oh, we'll just use that. Look, there's electricity on the side. We can charge our phone too.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
It says tent camping here. Sprinklers start at 8 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Did you see that sign?
No, I didn't.
I didn't either.
We are here in Douglas at the Riverside Park.
Best Riverside Park ever.
It's absolutely fabulous. Free, 2 nights with shower and bathrooms. We won't be using that because we got to shower this morning or last night in the hotel in Casper, and we have a shower tomorrow night at our campground, so we can skip today. But anyway, this park is absolutely fabulous. It's on the North Platte River, which is right there. We have plenty of shade. It's gorgeous. Pretty much the park to ourselves. There are some people across the way, but I don't even think they're gonna stay the night.
Oh, you don't think they're gonna stay?
Oh, maybe the camper
RV?
will be. Maybe the RV, but the people who are picnicking there, I think they're just picnicking. And we're gonna have dinner here. We were at the White Wolf Saloon earlier. Really cool place. If you're ever in Douglas, Wyoming, stop in at the White Wolf Saloon. Say hi to Carl, the owner.
Say hi to Carl.
Say hi to Carl. Tell him we sent you. We're gonna set up the tent. Brentley is carefully inspecting all of the items for Goat's Head, because the last place we camped was in Goat's Head, Shit-Shoney.
Riverside Park, Douglas, Wyoming. What a great place. You can camp here for free 2 nights.
So nice. Showers.
Showers for free over in the restroom.
I actually showered. I actually got in the shower and washed off my whole body without
Did you
soap
really?
or anything. Yep. I didn't even have a towel, but I used toilet paper to dab myself dry before I put my clothes on.
Huh.
Worked like a charm.
We are cooking some dinner. And we got the tent set up. But this is a great park.
I had to clean the food bag because if you
Second time.
recall-
We got a honey
Oh,
problem.
the third time.
Honey problem.
Honey problem.
Honey leaks all over. Honey's sticky.
So honey's getting double bagged.
All right, we gotta eat. It's
Let's
almost
eat.
time to eat.
Dinner.
We're
We
gonna-
ate our delicious dinner. And now we're gonna sit in front of the tent and MB's gonna read our book. MB's been reading a book to us. And so we're gonna get a little reading in, and then we're gonna put the rain fly on, pack up the rest of our stuff, go to bed, and Apollo Mission 32 will start, day 32 will start tomorrow. Just hang out and then go to bed. Right, MB?
And eat some popcorn.
Eat some popcorn. Yeah, I bought some popcorn. Yeah, just a beautiful setting. It's going to be such a great place to sleep tonight. Love this beautiful grass. Okay,
I'm here.
okay, let's have our reading time.
Let's read.
Okay.
Maisie Dobbs.
Stay tuned for our next episode when we continue east, again choosing a gravel road over riding on Interstate 25, and then experience the hot eastern Wyoming high plains.